Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a butterfly hole puncher machine with paper. I made it in the easiest way and also in a unique way. I used pen here, which is always available around us, and that's why I guess you all can make it very easily. Moreover, the hole puncher machine works perfectly. Well, the hole is a little bit small for sure, but still it works. And it works perfectly. So if you're liking the video, then make sure to give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Moreover, the butterfly is looking really very pretty and beautiful. So let's see how to make this wonderful butterfly paper hole puncher machine. If you really like the video, then make sure to give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for notifications, and thanks for watching.